Parts of speech. What is meant by parts of speech? Well, words are divided into different classes called parts of speech, according to their use. That is, according to the work they do in the sentence. Did you ever think like that? Yes, not just you. Even words have to do some work. The parts of speech are 8 in number. Let me tell you which they are. First, noun. Second, pronoun. Third, adjective. Fourth, verb. Fifth, adverb. Sixth, preposition. Seventh, conjunction. And eighth, interjection. So let us learn one by one. First, the noun. A noun is a word used for naming some person or thing. For example, Albert is a brilliant boy. Bruce is the best boy in the class. Now, in these sentences, the words Albert and Bruce are the proper nouns because they denote the names of a particular person. So remember, not just anyone, but only that particular person. Pronoun. Sometimes the repetition of the same noun sounds, well, silly. Hence, a pronoun is used instead of a noun. Look at the following examples. Now, supposing you were talking about John and said, John is a student. John is going to school. John is an intelligent boy. Here we can see same noun is used repeatedly in second and third sentence. Sounds a bit silly, no? Instead of this, we can use a pronoun for John, something like this. John is a student. He is going to school. He is an intelligent boy. Now, doesn't that sound better? You bet. Here is a chart showing pronouns for nouns. For a boy's name singular, example John, we can use the pronoun he. For a girl's name singular, example Rita, you can say she. For a plural name, example people, we can use the pronoun they. For any animal, bird, third person singular, say baby, crow, a table, we can use the pronoun it. We have the third part of speech, adjective. An adjective is a word used for qualifying or adding something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. For example, see these sentences. Grace is a good girl. In this sentence, good shows the quality of a girl. What kind of girl? Good. Another sentence. He is blind. In this sentence, blind shows the infirmity of the boy. Third sentence. Our buffalo gives much milk. In this sentence, much describes quantity. Fourth sentence. Give me 3 balls. In this sentence, 3 shows how many balls are required. All the above words, good, blind, much, and 3 are adjectives as they qualify a noun or a pronoun. So new term learnt is adjective. Now let me tell you something more about these adjectives. Well, there are 2 types of adjectives. First, attributive adjective, and second, predicative adjective. When an adjective is placed before a noun, it is used attributively. Let me explain with an example. Do not laugh at the poor man. Poor is used as an attributive adjective here. But when it qualifies a noun or a pronoun and is placed after a verb, it is used predicatively. For example, he is an Indian. Here, Indian is used as a predicative adjective. Another part of speech is the verb. A verb is a word that denotes being, having, or doing of an action or a state in any form. Now these verbs are of 4 types. First, being verb. For example, the man is honest. Second, having verb. Example, I have a sharp knife. Third, doing verb. For example, the boy kicks the football. And fourth, an action or state in any form. For example, the moon looks bright. Let us see some more examples, shall we? He is a shy person. The verb here, can you guess? Yes, it is. The girl reads a novel. The verb is reads. The thief ran quickly. The verb is ran. The lady has 3 kids. The verb is has. Adverb. An adverb qualifies anything except a noun or a pronoun. Now read the following sentences. Lily goes slowly. How does Lily go? Slowly. Here, the adverb slowly modifies a verb. Goes. I dislike the banana simply because it is too sweet. Here, the adverb simply modifies a conjunction because. Next example. Nancy runs very fast. Here, adverb modifies the adverb. Means, here the adverb very modifies the adverb fast. Mac is very handsome. Here, the adverb very modifies an adjective, handsome. The crow flew exactly over our head. Here, adverb exactly modifies a preposition, over. Now, an adverb may denote time, place, manner, number, degree, reason, purpose, condition, and contrast. Preposition. A preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or pronoun to show the relation of that noun or pronoun with any other word of the sentence. Now read the following sentences. First, the chalk is on the table. Second, the glass fell over the table. Third, the boy is in the class. Fourth, the bullocks are under the tree. Fifth, the dog is behind you. Sixth, what did you say about her? In the sentences 1, 2, 3 and 4, on, over, in and under are placed before the nouns. In the sentences 5 and 6, behind and about are placed before a pronoun. Thus, in these sentences, on, over, in, under, behind, and about are prepositions. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word for joining one word to another word or one sentence to another sentence. So you can say it's quite friendly, can't you? Let us read the following sentences and understand conjunctions more. Mona and Rita are good friends. In this sentence, and joins two words, Mona and Rita. Another sentence, Gary is a boy, but Grace is a girl. In this sentence, but joins two sentences. Gary is a boy and Grace is a girl. Third sentence. Now this is something your teacher might have sometimes said to you. Learn your lesson or leave the class. In this sentence, or joins two sentences. Learn your lesson and leave the class. Thus, and, but, or are conjunctions as they have joined either two words or two sentences. So did you get that till now? Can you think of some more conjunctions? Let me tell you. Most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, either, or, neither, nor. Otherwise, else, still, yet, nevertheless, however, only, therefore, so, also, to, if, for, because, as well as, after, though, although, till, until, unless, since, not only, but also, when, where, whether, whereas, while, etc. Interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling. What are you feeling suddenly? That's the interjection. Now read the following sentences. Hello, Jasmine, how do you do? Alas, my father is no more. Hurrah! Today is a holiday. Oh, such a nice view. 5. You are a liar. Bravo! You have done well. So what we see is that interjections may express joy, like in hurrah! How? Grief, alas. Surprise, ah, huh? What? How? Or encouragement, bravo. In fact, don't you think interjections is what makes speech so interesting? Adds all the expression, doesn't it? Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.